Alright, what up, gang? It's your boy UTS Keyberry, and I'm gonna do a quick unboxing slash review slash first impressions on what's inside this bag right here. So normally when I do an unboxing, I'd already have it out of this packaging, but quick little backstory. I ordered this case and it was supposed to take 1 day. It got delayed. I tried to cancel it. For whatever reason, Amazon would not let me cancel it, even though the shipping was delayed. And it wasn't delayed by 1 day, 2 days. It was delayed by like damn near a week. So we talked to Amazon, got it worked out. They couldn't cancel it. I couldn't cancel it. Nobody wanted to cancel it. And then today it just showed up. So I don't really mind. The case only cost $10. I do not recommend buying it because of, for one, I had an issue getting it shipped to me. It was supposed to be 1 day shipping. It took like a week to get here. Second, I don't recommend it because I don't think this case is very protective. But the reason I ordered it because I wanted to compare it to the Pitaka case, which is an ultra slim case. And this case is even more slimmer than that. But just let's get back to the whole original beginning, right? Like I said, normally I take it out of the package, but I did it, right? So let's get it out the package, because there's some fishy shit going on here, bro. I know they did not. Okay, this is how you know. Look at the packaging. This is the case right here. As you can see, that is pretty freaking thin. I got it in yellow because I didn't care. I didn't want it to match my phone. I do not plan on using this. But I just wanted to see the difference in an expensive case like the Pitaka versus something cheap like this. And trust me, I'll leave the Amazon link, or not link, but if you watch my videos, you know, it'll be somewhere here on the screen. Quality, very cheap feeling. Very cheap. As you can see, that's nothing. I've seen people have problems with this peeling off. Mine's not peeling off. As you can see, you get 0 sign protection. You do get some camera protection, but we'll see once we get it on the phone. It comes with this thing, which you could, I guess, tie like a loop through and like have like a wrist thing. I don't have any MagSafe accessories right now, but that doesn't matter. It feels like plastic silicone, but not like, it feels like a rubbery plastic. I'm gonna tell you right now, this, you only get this if you super brave and don't ever drop your phone, or you don't give a fuck about damaging your phone. But who knows? Maybe I'll change my mind when I get it on the phone. Let's see. So as you can see, this is what it looks like. And I thought I brought a yellow case. This is more orange. Still not a fan. As far as the feel in the hand, I will say it keeps the same feel as like your original iPhone. But I don't know, man. I'm not really feeling it. But I mean, I guess if you want a thin case for $10, maybe find a different color. Maybe go with the green one. But yeah, I'm not really jacking it. Yeah, this is a do not recommend. But how y'all like, look at that though. Yeah, this is definitely a do not recommend. But as you can see, this is what it looks like. I don't know. You guys tell me. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Would you grab this for $10? Me, I'm gonna say hell no. Based off my whole total experience from shipping to the final product, it's gonna be a no for me, dog. What do you guys think, though? Let me know in the comment section down below. I can't believe I just threw away $10. And for reference, here's the Pitaka case. So yeah, I don't know. The camera even want to focus better now. So as you can see, the cutouts are a lot better on the Pitaka case. The quality is a lot better. I know I said for 60 bucks, this is an expensive case, but honestly, 60 versus that $10 cheap case, go with the Pitaka. This is way better. So, wrap up my conclusion. When it comes to this right here, I mean, if you want to experiment with a case, like I said, it's only $10. Would I recommend it? Hell no. Toss that shit to the side. By the way, you guys look at this. Check this out. It's picture in picture. Oh shit. Hey, we got picture in picture. It's iPads on iPads on iPads. But I'm gathering my thoughts on the iPhone 17 Pro review. Stay tuned. Once again, leave a like on the video and subscribe if you want. But it's your boy, how about deuces?